In this video, I am going to show you the best settings for your Hisense TV to enhance your viewing experience. First, make sure your Hisense TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Start by navigating to the Settings menu. You can usually find this by pressing the menu button on your remote control. Look for the option labeled Picture or Display. Here you can adjust various settings to improve picture quality. For brightness, set it according to your room lighting. A brightness level of around 50 to 70% is often ideal for most environments. Next, adjust the contrast to around 80 to 90% to ensure bright areas look vivid without losing detail in highlights. Color settings should be set to around 50 to 70% for a natural look, but you can tweak this based on your preference. For sharpness, a value of 10 to 20% is usually sufficient to enhance details without introducing artifacts. Next, check the picture mode. For standard viewing, consider setting it to cinema or movie mode for a more accurate color representation. For sports or fast-paced content, switch to sports mode for better motion handling. If your TV supports HDR, ensure that it is enabled in the settings for compatible content. This will enhance the color range and brightness for an improved viewing experience. Don't forget to adjust the audio settings as well. Navigate to the audio menu and set the sound mode to standard or movie for optimal sound quality. You can also experiment with the equalizer settings to enhance bass and treble according to your preference. Finally, consider turning off any motion smoothing features, as these can create an unnatural look for movies. Instead, enable any available settings for low latency mode if you're gaming. And that's it. You now have the best settings for your Hisense TV to enjoy a fantastic viewing experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.